He's just a baby.
Oh no, it's probably...
He's still on there.
Dave's hooked something.
Yeah, he did.
That might be a keeper, boys. Girls. Put it in the pot. Don't let him get behind the boat. You know what it is? Get that kitty cat.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh look at
See,
this.
look.
Oh my God, he did a picture. Oi. Oh, I
That's how they
never
protect
seen
themselves. There you
Get that pole
go.
right there.
Something small, probably.
It ain't no something small. It's been in that pole. He real harder and he'll fight against me. Another
Oh,
catfish.
see, you got something?
No, I just knocked my pole.
Man, I ain't gonna catfish like this. Man, that two catfish in one day in a long time. There you got something. That
Catfish.
no, that ain't a catfish. That look like a redfish coming to the top.
I saw the white belly flop up there. We'll see.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's a
Not
catfish.
very
Hold on,
big.
don't touch. I can't.
Yeah, it's a catfish. We gotta move from here.
It's a little cat. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Get it, girl.
Y'all lift your pole straight up in here. So it's right underneath. Don't reel them in. Just lift them up.
Oh, she didn't go underneath me. She's over me.
That might be a keeper. Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, that's a red.
Just hold on a second. Let me get him. He looks like he might be a keeper. Keep reeling. Keep reeling hard. Pull up with the pole. That's a keeper red.
All right.
Oh, nice. Girl, that's beautiful.
Wow.
We got two at a time here.
Really?
Catfish coming. They both are catfish.
Oh, jeez.
Just hold it in the water right there.
Yeah.
Pull yours up, Dave.
Okay. Oh.
Oi, oi, oi,
Oh,
oi,
you have a tiny catfish.
oi. I just with kids.
You got fish. You got fish.
Oi, oi.
There you go.
There he is. Probably a baby, but he's something.
He went under the boat. He's coming back.
That's a good fish.
Yeah. Reel it in, reel it in. Oh, he's good.
Oh, wow.
Have a seat.
Nice.
Oh my God, bravo.
I told you.
Okay, blackfish.
These guys are a lot of work.
This guy's fighting.
You got him in Maryna. He's not red. Pull him up. Straight up. Pull him up. Pull him up.
Oh, come on. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
We're back. What you got there, David?
I got a bucket full of fish.
Oh my gosh, yes you do.
Yes, sir.
Looks heavy.